shoo. Gosh, oh gee, but I have fun. Come on. Swallowing animals one by one. In every bowl of soup I see lions and tigers chasing me. Come on, jump, make them jump. Show me through a hoop with animal crackers in my soup. When I get hold of that big bad wolf, I push him under to drown all the way down. Then I bite him in a million bites, and I gobble him right down. Show me when they're inside me, where it's dark. I walk around like Noah's Ark. I stuff my tummy like a goose with animal crackers in my soup. Show me your points. Come on,
Laurel.
let's see some pretty
Laurel.
points. Close first, other foot, point, 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 close first. Show me again, girls, point, point. Come on, show me, point, close first. Everybody, point. Arms out, Caitlin. Show me your points. Now our claps. Slow, slow. Okay, now show us how you jump open to second. First, now way up high at first. Again, slow, slow, quick, quick, quick. Come on, open jump second. First, come on, way up high.
What's wrong, Tim?
Now we're gonna chasse. Here we go. Come on, 2, 3. Come on this way, girls. 4. Arabesque. Let's get our arms way up high. Now the other way. Let's slide. Come on, we gotta slide all the way down. Arabesque up and hold it. Can you get your arms up? Show me how we open. Cross. Turn around. Everybody, show me arms out. Cross. Oh, come on, way around. Now arms up high and all the way up on our toes.
Okay, let's go.
Turn around all the way up on our toes. So everybody be kids. And bow on one knee. Show us you're on one knee. Arms out. Head down. Come on. Head down. Arms out.